Induction cooking is a cleaner, safer, and more efficient way to cook compared to traditional gas and electric ranges. Cast iron, stainless steel, and enamel-coated cast iron are all good examples for induction cookware. Suitable stainless steel is bonded or clad together layers of aluminum and stainless steel. This results in cookware that takes advantage of the properties of each. Stainless steel over aluminum is the most common type of cookware for induction. Avoid glass, ceramic, copper, and aluminum on its own for induction cooking. Cookware like a griddle with a lip or an edge around it will not sit flat against the induction cooktop. It will result in poor cooking performance. You want the pan or pot to be as flat as possible to ensure close contact with the induction cooktop to maximize the efficiency of the heating element. Induction cooking works best with cookware that have strong magnetic qualities. If you aren't sure the cookware is compatible, check to see if the bottom is magnetized. That magnet will stick if it is compatible. If it is not, it will fall right off. Look for text such as induction ready or induction capable when purchasing induction cookware. You can also look for this label, which is the label for induction compatible.